this video, you'll see my Target finds, my Target run moments. Come on, shop with me. Look at that view.
Beautiful morning.
A beautiful morning. Yes, it is. I am here at Target. Oh, the sun. But it's actually beautiful. The sky, I'm going to turn the camera around to show you this beautiful view. For those of you that haven't already heard, I'm sure everyone in the world already knows, Tabitha Brown's kitchen collection has dropped. Yes, I love Target. I love how you can make a grocery list. Yesterday, I went through the list of everything that I wanted. I should take the sun out of my eye. The camera probably doesn't look good, but oh well. But anyways, I went through her list and I selected everything that I wanted. This morning at 7, when the store opened, I was able to order everything that I wanted. And I only did that because I wanted everything that I selected. And Tabitha, I ordered everything. I love your avocado line. So of course I had to continue that. But anyways, I'm so excited. I'm at the store. They just put my order in the back of my trunk there. I already at the store. So I just wanted to browse and just kind of like show you, for those that, I don't know how you don't know it's already dropped, but for those of you that are new tuning in, well, first of all, how rude of me. Good morning. This is Blissful Spaces, where I garden, cook healthy meals, and other favorites. I'm at Target, Tabitha Brown. I'm going inside and I'm going to bring you along. I'm going to show you what is left of her collection. And if you haven't already heard, and if you're not at Target now, I advise you to go ahead and get to the store or order online. Target, we love you. Look at that sun. It feels so good. Anyways, let's go inside. Let's see what's going on. All right, let's get a first look at Tabitha Brown's Target kitchenware and food line. And there's a lot of people that's gathered around, and so I was trying to respect everybody's privacy, so I try not to zoom the camera all over the place. So I just kind of focused on the food. I'm trying to share some of the prices. Most of the items in the collection are less than $10. The only item that was over $45 was her rug. There was one rug and I reached for it and there was another lady reaching, and so I knew that I wasn't going to get it, but I did want to get some footage of the rug, so I just kind of like let go and let the other person take the rug. I will just let you continue to view the video. You'll hear the background. Everybody's excited. There was about 10 people gathered around. Everybody was pulling things off the shelves. I'm glad that I went inside just so that I can share a little bit with you. So I'm going to let you finish watching the video. Keep watching. It's a nice size. Oh, and I ordered these. Take care of yourself. Y'all excuse me, but I broke my nail. There's the tea set. It's so cute.
This thing is huge, good lord. Big one.
Some more. Y'all come out and get these items. They are going fast. Here's a cup. Miss Brown, as we know, she's focused on her fashion and then her home decor, and now In her third collection, she's focused on her vegan food, and we just saw some of her kitchenware. So I'm so excited. I'm in the grocery, the produce aisle, and I'm in search for her vegan cream cheese. Her cream cheese spreads and her pastas and all of her plant-based patties, to cookware essentials like cast iron and skillets, utensils and towels. The collection has a little something for everyone. Yes, everyone, even if you aren't vegan.
So you want in the 6-way hallway? 3 more weeks ago.
Down below, if you go over to the Starbucks aisle after your shopping trip at Target. All right, guys, before I drive off the store, pretty much everything that I needed except your cream cheese. I'm home. I'm going to unload everything, and then I am off for a much needed spa day. Get these nails done. So I wanted to share my Target haul / Tabitha Brown Target collection. And like I had shared earlier in the video, put all the items that I wanted on my grocery list, the things from the produce section that I wanted, and then I went to Target, picked up the items. You're seeing it first, and you're hearing it first from Blissful Spaces. These are some items that I feel like everyone should buy from Tabitha Brown Target kitchenware collection. Look at that bowl. That is so cute. So I just purchased one bowl and one saucer. The saucer I actually left in the car, so there's another bag. It doesn't show in the video, but look at those spatulas. And you have to love the cups. Oh my goodness. Everyone knows that I love tea. And I think one of the main reasons why I was so excited is because she had the teapot and the matching cup. And of course, the yellow vase. Look at that. And that was a really nice surprise because I actually thought it was a little smaller. And of course, we still have our Happy New Year 2023 celebration things on the table. But look at that. I was able to order the remainder of her teas. Here are some napkins, disposable napkins. I can't wait to have a tea party with you. Stay tuned because I will be cooking up some wonderful dishes with all the new ingredients that I purchased today. So be on the lookout for Saturday. That will be my next video. I will make a cooking tutorial video. Yes, everyone knows that I love to garden and I love to grow what I eat and eat what I grow. Are you tired of some of the old design ideas, new trends, tips, and tricks? Create an environment in person and online. Tabitha Brown for Target. Kitchen collection. I just love it. I love the bold colors, the patterns, and it can spruce up any space. I'm excited for all the new items that I just added. My kitchen, I've already have some of her home decor line, so all the accents together with my home office is just going to go perfect. All the furniture and all the new items. Her mugs, they're reusable. I love the colors and the price. These prices are amazing. Probably the first recipe I'm going to try. Tabitha, thank you for all the ingredients that you have provided us. I can't wait to come up with some creative ideas. Spicy jalapeno. Yes, and I do have some fresh jalapenos that I have dehydrated from my garden, so I might just add a few of extra jalapenos into her dip. And some pasta. I got 2, yes, for dinner. So I will have a pasta night one week, and I'm so excited to share some of these videos with you. And then also, our family likes to do movie night. I did purchase some popcorn, so that'll go. Oh my gosh, it is almost at the end of this video. There's that popcorn. So I will show some of the things that hopefully that will help inspire you. I encourage you to get out and check out Target, Tabitha Brown's new kitchenware, her 3rd collection at Target. And don't forget to get your teapot and your teacups so that we can sit and have tea together. As always, stay loving, be kind, and I will see you in my next video. Stay tuned, Saturday. Yes. All right. Love you. Thank you so much, Tabitha Brown. I love it. I love it. And yes, I shared earlier in the video the avocado collection is my favorite. I have everything avocado, Tabitha Brown. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment down below, and subscribe. I can't wait to see you. I will see you Saturday. Saturday, yes, this Saturday, my next cooking video, and be prepared to cook along with me because there's always enough for you. Blessings.